trans, gender fluid. And then I just realized, wait a minute, this whole area has an influx. It's infestated. It's predominantly governed by metaphorical interpretation. So I delve into it. I say, whatever I'm trying to discover, a deeper philosophical understanding of binary in computer language could possibly be unraveled in this area. It wasn't actually a discipline, unfortunately. And so I delved into it. And the first observation I made was a lot of confusion. I looked up YouTube on what is queer, what is gender identity. It was so much confusion. And I deal with stuff that I believe far more complex. You know, psychodynamics,